It can be difficult to stop using the money-making technique when you see the money coming in non-stop. This money has the power to alter the lives of many individuals. Many of these individuals are complete novices who have never before made any money online. I'll be teaching you 3 different money-making apps in total, along with some novel automation techniques, so you don't have to do anything and can continue to get free money completely automatically. Make sure you don't omit any essential procedure, because this is a recently found secret approach that you won't find anyplace else. Don't miss out on another special bonus of $400 in free money if you stick around until the finish. But before we go deep into the video, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll teach you the brand new methods to make money online in 2023. Please enjoy and be informed in this video, and remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, click the notification bell button so that you will get notified every time we release a new money-making video in our channel. Share this with your family and friends so that everyone is aware of this fantastic money-making strategy. If you have any questions, concerns, or thoughts about the video, please leave a comment below. We look forward to reading it. We'll talk about 3 distinct apps today. Utilize them all for a 5 to 10-fold increase in your revenue. Start with the first application. Look at this. Make Money Free Cash app. It's perfect for novices who want something straightforward and have no expertise or skill. They are simple to use and pay out fairly well. The best feature is that it is available and totally free in any nation on earth. Please take a closer look at this application. You may download this from the App Store if you have an iPhone, or the Google Play Store if you have an Android phone. They'll give you a few chores to accomplish as soon as you download the app and pay you for each click you make. By clicking on your smartphone, you can continuously earn money. You can transfer funds to your PayPal account, bank account, or cryptocurrency wallet if you prefer cryptocurrency like Bitcoin. Simply put, there are a ton of payment possibilities accessible. You still need to use your phone for a lot of clicks, even though this pays quite well for simple clicking. Since it will allow you to click on the app every day without having to think about it, I want to show you this hidden security flaw. Keep watching because I'll go into great depth about how it works and how we can work together with a few free tools to automatically earn much more cash. How to withdraw money is one crucial element. It is frequently done wrong. Even if they make that money, they are never able to withdraw it because it is locked inside the app, so that we can earn some real money and cash it out. Please watch the entire video. They will congratulate you once you have amassed all of your profits. How much revenue do you generate? The best thing about this application is how absolutely transparent it is. Thereafter, you have a range of options to pay out. I advise utilizing PayPal if you want to withdraw money in less than 3 or 2 days. It will allow you to see the actual data and will let you know how much money you make today and every hour. Then you can convert them into real cash. You must have a system in place for monitoring all of your earnings. There are 4.6 stars total among the more than 468,000 ratings. It has been on the market for so long that consumers continue to profit from it. Thus, it is neither new nor unproven. You're about to learn the method by which all of those people are able to make such substantial incomes. I want you to go to your App Store or Google Play Store and search for AutoClicker, which is the name of the program that allows you to tap and click on your screen automatically using free software that you can download on your phone. Every time someone taps or clicks on the screen of your phone, you will earn money using numerous apps and websites. When I first started, I merely used this automated clicker from a simple application. Later, I discovered a fresh program created by actual developers that is today the most popular application. They'll show you that you may download it and that it has over 6,000 reviews with an average rating of 4.5 stars because this is a fairly newer program. There are a new app that not many people are yet familiar with. The simplicity and user-friendliness of this auto-clicker are its best features. You can carry this out after laying them out. If you want them to be in single target mode, for example, you can select a position on your phone, like the center. As you can see, there is a blue circle there. Every time you desire it, the robot can be programmed to click on your phone in that location. It taps on the phone screen once every second. You can do it 60 times per minute and make a ton of money doing it automatically. If you have multiple devices such as an iPad, 2 or even 3 cell phones, you will make a lot more money. There are more intricate techniques using multiple targets that you can click on repeatedly in different places. I found that there is no difference between scenarios with a single target and those with many targets. So just select single target, being careful to click repeatedly in the same location. By clicking 60 times in a minute, you can consistently make money on autopilot. The second app is called Feature Points, and you can get it either through the featurepoints.com website or by downloading it for free. You can earn passive income by carrying out numerous chores such as downloading programs and taking daily recommendations. Daily, a number of issues are raised entirely automatically. You may use this application to withdraw money via PayPal, which is how I do it. You may share this with friends, download apps, participate in surveys, and join contests. You have a plethora of options in this program. The final app is ranked third. Check this out before I reveal the app. They have access in a huge number of nations. No matter where you are in the world, you may start using and downloading this program for free on your iOS or Android devices. Once you've downloaded it, you can take a withdrawal to buy iTunes, Amazon, or PayPal gift cards. This website named iPoll allows you to participate in surveys and offer your opinions, and it's really simple to do so. After you do it, you'll start receiving more and more quick, uncomplicated surveys that will help you boost your revenues. It takes 3 to 5 minutes to finish. You will receive more lucrative surveys and earn more money the more work you put in. I'll show you a bonus money-making website called Survey on the Go, which is another survey website you can utilize and earns you around $1, $2, or $3 for each brief survey you complete. You can come here and finish Survey on the Go if you want some extra money on the side, even though it's not much. The nice part about this is that you can combine Survey on the Go Ride, AutoClicker on Feature Points, and iPoll on all of the websites I just mentioned. When you combine them, they all add up to a large daily income for you. That's all for now. I hope that you were able to learn something from this video and that I was able to show you a new method to generate money online. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. By clicking the notification bell button, you can be informed when we upload new videos. I'll see you in our forthcoming video, so keep an eye out for that.